Have you noticed your newborn yawning a lot? Here's something amazing. Babies start yawning even before they are born. And it's not always because they're sleepy. Yawning helps their tiny brain adjust between sleep and wake-up time. Yawning is mediated by the paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus and brainstem pathways involving dopamine, oxytocin, acetylcholine. Yawning is not just cute. Excessive yawning may indicate neonatal abstinence syndrome, hypoglycemia, or presence of intracranial pathology. Thank you for watching, dear parents.